Hello and welcome to the Dynamic CCTV product update. Today we're going to take a look at the Ajax Street Siren Double Deck. This is a new street siren in the range. Looks very similar to the conventional street siren, same size, shape, etc. Has all of the features, existing features of the street siren. 1,500 metre range back to the hub. Ajax Jeweler protocol, 85 to 113 decibel output. It's got a rear 12 volt supply, so it can be powered from a 12 volt source. Internal battery up to 5 years life from them. IP54. Minus 25 centigrade to 60 to plus 60 degrees centigrade temperature operating range as well, and it's got a rear gyroscope tampering built into, as does the conventional unit. You would buy the actual double deck siren like this, but you wouldn't fit it like this. The whole sort of purpose of this particular device is to allow you to fit a branding plate to the front of it, which can be used to advertise your company name and details, etc., giving you the ability to let everybody know who fit the system in question, also give you the potential advertising and everything that comes alongside that as well. It's something that's been available for a long time with conventional alarm systems and is now available as part of the Ajax system as well. So this is a blank branding plate. They're available in any quantity from Dynamic CCTV. These can be purchased as they are, and you can take it upon yourself to produce your own branding, either from a local company, or you can have some weatherproof stickers produced which can be stuck on the front and off you go. If you purchase 40 of these or 4 boxes of 10, you can take advantage of Ajax's own branding service, which allows you to receive your branding plates with your branding already on. So here's one that's been done already, and you can see the branding is actually physically printed onto the plate itself. It's high durability print designed to withstand the rigours of being outside in the elements for 24/7. So you can take advantage of that service. Simply have to visit the product page on our website, which the URL should be on the screen right now, and click on the link, which allows you to go onto a branding request form, upload your vendor logo, put in your company details, a notification of a successful request. Upon that, you contact Dynamic CCTV and we fulfill the order for you, and obviously get them sent out as soon as the printing is finished. So the actual branding plate clips onto the front. It's got 4 clips, as you can see there. It's also got the tamper connection as well. So there's a tamper button here. If anybody decides to do anything malicious to the system, the first thing that will go off is the actual branding plate tamper there, giving you obviously early notification that somebody's up to no good. So that just simply clips onto the front like so. So that's how it will physically look on the wall, and obviously your branding, your logo, etc. will be there for all to see. So alongside the actual double deck siren, there is actually a double deck dummy box as well, which is basically the unit's chassis without the actual working electronics inside. So you can also use that particular unit with a branding plate if the particular install required visual indication that an alarm system has been triggered, but without necessarily needing the siren aspects of it or the working siren aspects of it. You can fit a dummy box on another location on the premises, or multiple dummy boxes at other locations, and this will give additional visual indication to anybody passing by that that unit is protected by an Ajax intruder system. And again, these can have the branding plates attached to the front. If I just quickly make sure I'm lining that up. There we go. So that's a dummy box as well. So the Street Siren Double Deck, the Double Deck dummy box and the branding plates are all available from Dynamic CCTV. If you require any additional information on those, please get in touch. We're more than happy to assist you. And also on the Ajax's own branding service as well, that's ready to go. So please do get in touch with us if you've got any opportunities or require any additional information on the branding service as well. Please continue to like and share our videos. Plenty coming, lots of interesting and new technology on the way all the time. So please continue to like and share, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.